Subscribe now.
Once upon a time, in the enchanting realm of Eldoria, there lived two noble princes, Aiden and Eric, along with the radiant Princess Seraphina. Eldoria was a land where magic flowed through the air like a gentle breeze, and mystical creatures roamed freely in its lush, vibrant meadows. Aiden, the elder prince, possessed the power to control the elements. His eyes sparkled like the crystal-clear waters of Eldoria's sacred lakes, reflecting the depth of his connection with nature. Eric, the younger prince, had the gift of telekinesis. He could move objects with a mere thought, his power manifesting in the subtle dance of floating petals around him. Princess Seraphina was the embodiment of grace and kindness. Her presence brought warmth to the coldest corners of the kingdom, and her laughter echoed like the sweetest melody in the air. One day, a mysterious sorceress named Morgana arrived in Eldoria. Unbeknownst to the royal trio, she harbored a dark ambition to seize the magical essence that permeated the land for her own nefarious purposes. Morgana's enchantments cast a shadow over Eldoria, causing the once vibrant meadows to wither and the creatures to lose their sparkle. Alarmed by the impending doom, Aiden, Eric, and Seraphina embarked on a quest to restore the balance and protect their beloved kingdom. Their journey led them through treacherous forests and across vast deserts, where they encountered magical beings in need of help. Aiden mended the wounded earth, Eric lifted obstacles with his telekinetic prowess, and Seraphina comforted the despondent creatures with her soothing words. As the trio delved deeper into their quest, they discovered that only by combining their powers could they overcome Morgana's dark magic. Aiden's control over the elements, Eric's telekinesis, and Seraphina's boundless kindness created a harmonious synergy that grew stronger with each challenge they faced. Finally, at the heart of Eldoria, they confronted Morgana in a battle of light against darkness. The siblings unleashed a dazzling display of magic, weaving together the elements and their collective strength. The air crackled with energy as their powers merged into a radiant burst of light that banished Morgana's darkness. With Morgana's defeat, Eldoria was reborn. The meadows flourished, the creatures regained their sparkle, and the magical essence of the land thrived anew. The unity of Aiden, Eric, and Seraphina had not only saved their kingdom, but had also forged an unbreakable bond that transcended magic itself. Eldoria, once again a realm of enchantment, celebrated the triumph of the royal trio. Aiden, Eric, and Seraphina, now bound by a shared destiny, ruled Eldoria with wisdom, kindness, and the everlasting magic of their unity. And so, their story became a timeless legend, whispered through the winds and carried by the songs of Eldoria's rejuvenated meadows.